Starting the week on a positive note. Mr. Dele Sanusi is an equities trader with Rostrom's Securities, Investment and Securities Limited. He joins me to continue this conversation. Mr. Sanusi, good afternoon and thank you for joining the program.
Good afternoon. Tolu Lokwe, was your day?
Great, thank you. Take us through the market performance for today. The week is starting in green. That's the first trading for the month of February.
Trading day in the month of February.
Yes, please.
So, looking at the first trading day in the month of February is a wonderful thing for market to close at the north-south. And the market gained today by 0.13. And it is not fast-fetched. We have the likelihood of Better Glass, Okomu, and Presco. And looking at what really responsible for this is that the result of this thing, their corporate action, their Q4, unaudited Q4 that was released was very, very fantastic. Like we look at the Better Glass was able to do 20 naira for the full year, and Presco was able to do 100 naira EPS for a stock that is trading less than 700 naira. And I'm telling you that it's a very good and wonderful result. The stock we still need to go on rally for some day. Why also you look at the Okomu is somehow also here. It did 33 naira. And also if you look at the northern Nigeria flour meat also, the Q4, sorry, the Q3, the Q3, for the 9 months, it was able to do about 20 naira APS. So that these are the reasons that that are really responsible. For their getting to the top today, because the investor, they are really running after them to buy more of them. Thank you.
Interesting stuff. But do you see us taking this through the month of February and of course beyond?
I was going now looking at the month of February, and what we are waiting for now that is going to really move the market is the audited results, because we have seen the unaudited result, for the Q4, and that they need to consolidate the result, and that they need to tell us the corporate action that they will be released. Maybe they are going to do bonus or dividend, and those are the things that we are expecting now for the market that is going to sustain the market. So vis-a-vis, we are still going to have up and down as we normally have it in market, but the good result, the audited result, good corporate action, dividend, bonus, the one that is juicy, those are the things that are going to make the stock to really move forward this month of February.
I must thank you so much again for your time, Mr. Dele Sanusi. Do enjoy the rest of your day and have a profitable one.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, then let's take you to Asian stocks market. We slumped today as European and U.S. equities feature pointed sharply lower after President Donald Trump's tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China triggered fears of a broad trade war. Japan's Nikkei tumbled 2.9% and Australia's benchmark dropped 1.8%. Stocks in Hong Kong fell 1.1% upon reopening from the Lunar New Year holidays. Mainland Chinese market resumed trading following the holidays on Wednesday. Pan-European stock 550 features sank 2.7%. US S&P 500 features dropped 2%. U.S. President Donald Trump has hinted the European Union could be the next to face tariffs after he slapped 25% levies on goods from Mexico and Canada, along with an additional 10% tax on imports from China. President Donald Trump said this when he arrived Joint Base Andrews, Maryland, after spending the weekend at Mar-a-Lago in Palm Beach, Florida. He added that the U.S. enjoyed good relations with British Prime Minister Keir Starmer, and the trade issues with the U.K. could be worked out.
Well, we're going to see what happens. It'll happen, but we'll see how things work out. It might happen with them, but it will definitely happen with the European Union. I can tell you that, because they've really taken advantage of us. And we have over a $300 billion deficit. They don't take our cars, they don't take our farm products, they take almost nothing. And we take everything from them, millions of cars, tremendous amounts of food and farm products. So the UK is way out of line, and we'll see the UK, but European Union is really out of line. UK is out of line, but I'm sure I think that one can be worked out. But the European Union it's an atrocity, what they've done.
Meanwhile, experts are warning that the new tariffs announced by U.S. government will not only disrupt global supply chains, but harm the interests of American consumers and enterprises. President Donald Trump signed an executive order on Saturday night imposing 10% tariff on Chinese imports into the country on top of existing tariffs on the grounds of fentanyl and other issues.
There's no winners in the trade war because tariff is nothing than to add further cost on the entire supply chain, which eventually will be absorbed by all participants along the supply chain. And a large portion will eventually go to the consumers, which are really American consumers who really support the Trump administration.
All the experts have told them this is a non-win situation, basically economic suicide. I mean, domestically, prices are going to rise. Just remember, in 2024, through the first 9 months, disposable income rose 0.3%. And these tariffs alone will eat up everything that was accomplished last year. And then internationally, obviously, countries are reevaluating exactly what the relationship is with the United States when its two biggest trading partners, neighbors, friends, allies, are being subjected to what they see as completely unreasonable situations.
Wrapping up the show now, crude oil prices jumped today after U.S. President Donald Trump imposed tariff on Canada, Mexico, and China, raising fears of crude supply disruptions from the two biggest suppliers to U.S. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to sell for $74.17, with an upward review of 2.26%. Brent experienced an upward price margin of 1.24% to sell for $76.61 per barrel. Bonnie Light sells for $78.62, with a decline of 2.84%. For the OPEC basket, dealers offer $7.38, with a decline of 0.23%.